In which year is ISRO planning to launch Chandrayaan 3? Right answer, option C, 2023. Next question. Who has been appointed as the new US Ambassador of India? Right answer, option A, Elizabeth Jones. Next question. Who has been appointed as the Governor of West Bengal? Right answer, option B, C.V. Anand Bose. Next question. Abdul Latif Rashid has become the new president of which country? Right answer, option B, Iraq. Next question. Which car manufacturer has launched Indian first fuel flex engine car? Right answer, option D, Toyota. Next question. Who has become the new king of United Kingdom? Right answer, option A, Prince Charles II. Next question. In which year India will host the G20 summit? Right answer, option C, 2023. Next question. Who has launched the new artificial intelligence chatbot GPT-4? Right answer, option A, OpenAI. Next question. In which city was the G20 Flower Festival organized? Right answer, option D, New Delhi. Next question. Which state government has recently launched School Chalao Abhiyan 2023? Right answer, option A, Uttar Pradesh.